Ever been cruising down the road with hot music, feeling like a boss? Then, oh, flat tire, road trip mood officially ruined. Well, those days might be over, my friends, because today we're talking about the AstroAI portable tire inflator, the little gadget that can be your roadside knight in shining armor. Why a tire inflator? Let's face it, those hand pumps that come with your car are about as effective as trying to blow up a beach ball with your lungs. This nifty little compressor plugs right into your car's cigarette lighter, and with the push of a button, it inflates your tire in no time. AstroAI says this thing is built with some special Tuffletre technology, which basically means it's built to last. They even claim it increases the lifespan by 30%. I'm not sure how we'd measure that, but hey, a longer-lasting tire inflator is a good thing in my book. Set it and forget it. Here's the coolest part. This gadget lets you program the desired tire pressure. Just set it, walk away, and come back to a perfectly inflated tire. No more hunching over reading that tiny gauge every 2 seconds. This little guy is about the size of a lunchbox, so it easily fits in your glove compartment or trunk. Plus, it's got a flashlight built in, so you can change your tire even if it's dark out. Is the Astro AI Tire Inflator worth it? Well, for under $50, it seems like a pretty good deal. And it's easy to use, saves you time and frustration on the roadside, and lets you be the hero of your next flat tire situation. Just don't forget to pack it next time you hit the road. Please find the link to the Amazon page in the description if you need to grab one for yourself. And don't forget to subscribe for more car gadget reviews like this.